The Intelligent Mechanical Engineering Equipment Laboratory of CNBM ay01 Machinery is a national-level key laboratory. It is dedicated to providing reliable experimental data for clients and offering efficient, economical, and environmentally friendly solutions for small to medium-scale pulp production lines with an annual capacity of 3,000 to 5,000 tons. The laboratory is equipped with two core processes: the SCP chemical pulping process and the CTMP chemi mechanical pulping process, which are respectively suitable for non-wood and wood-based raw materials. In the SCP process, raw materials are first precisely metered by the metering screw conveyor, then delivered via a belt conveyor to a trash separator to remove impurities such as weed and stones. They are then cleaned and shredded simultaneously by the hydraulic straw washer and pumped to the inclined screw dewatering machine for initial dewatering. The partially dewatered material is recirculated and adjusted by the return screw, then metered and conveyed by pin drum feeder and screw conveyor into the feeding screw conveyor. From there, it enters the three-stage horizontal tube continuous digester for efficient high-temperature cooking. The cooked pulp flows into a balancing bin, then is transferred by a screw feeder to the high-consistency refiner for fiber refining. Impurities are subsequently removed by the cyclone separator. The purified pulp is thoroughly mixed with bleaching agents in the mixing screw, undergoes bleaching in the bleaching tower, and is finally conveyed by the screw conveyor to the storage tower, completing the entire chemical pulping process. In the CTMP process, the raw materials are first softened with high-temperature steam in the steam bin, then precisely metered by the metering screw conveyor and fed into the defibering machine for mechanical fiber separation. The pulp is transferred into the impregnator for thorough mixing with additives, then sent to the reaction bin for pre-treatment. After a second metering step, the pulp enters the high-consistency refiner for deep fiber refining to improve strength and toughness. Impurities are removed using cyclone separator. Then the pulp is mixed with the bleaching agent and the bleaching process is completed. Finally, it conveyed to the storage tower. These two processes meet the processing needs of different types of raw materials, providing strong support for diverse application scenarios. Looking ahead, ay01 Machinery will continue to leverage the intelligent experimental platform to deliver safe, efficient, and customized pulping solutions to the client.